Hi there. In this video, we'll take a look at the primary manual mode of the loyalty program. We'll show you how a cashier can quickly look up a customer in the system, how stamps are credited automatically, and how rewards are redeemed right at the checkout. To get started, the cashier can always identify a customer and check their profile or active vouchers through the additional menu. To do this, on the main screen of the poster register, we tap the button with the three dots in the bottom menu and select 7Stamp. A customer selection window will open up. The fastest and most common way to identify a guest is by scanning the digital card from their smartphone screen using your tablet's camera or an external scanner. But if your venue doesn't have a scanner, don't worry. You can easily look up a customer by the 6-digit card number located right under the QR code, as well as by their name or email address. As soon as you select the found profile, the customer is linked to the current visit. In their card, you can immediately see and, if necessary, redeem active vouchers. We will talk about how to work with them in more detail in a separate video. Next, we simply add items to the order as usual and proceed to payment. At this moment, the poster system automatically displays the 7-stamp window, showing exactly how many stamps will be credited for this receipt. If the customer has collected the required number of stamps with this exact purchase and the system alerts you that the guest is entitled to an instant reward, we can redeem it right away. In our example, we are using a pre-configured manual promotion to process the reward. We tap the Promotions button in the top right corner of Poster, select the required promotion from the list, and the discount applies automatically, adjusting the item's price on the receipt. In addition to the instant reward, at the payment stage, the customer might also receive a new voucher for future visits, or the system will prompt them to participate in a gamified lottery, the Wheel of Fortune, the result of which will pop up on the screen immediately after closing the receipt. As you can see, manual mode allows the cashier to fully control the process, view all the information about the guest, and make every purchase pleasant and personalized. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because in our next videos we will break down the fully automatic modes that require no staff involvement, and we'll show you the magic of working with vouchers in full detail. See you soon.